Hello, welcome to My Life is Mathland channel. Today we will discuss about the question. It is a 24th question. Next one more question is there, 25th. There are only two questions. Today, shift one paper will be complete. Let's go to problem. C be the circle. It is a circle C. And in the first quadrant, the coordinate exactly 3 points. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. There are 3 points. Coordinate axis and equal intercepts. So this one is equal to this one. If the length of chord on the line x plus y, so the line it is the x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. The line, this is the line x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. The distance is root 14. The total distance is, so from here to here the distance is root 14. So it is a half of the distance. That's why it is the root 14 by 2. What is the square of radius? Look here, it is the some distance a. It is the some distance a. So the center must be, it is a perpendicular line, it is a perpendicular must be a comma a. So it is a. Now next, look, the distance d is equal to, we don't know, it is a put of the perpendicular distance from the line x plus y minus 1. So d is equal to modulus of x from the center a y minus 1 whole by x coefficient 1 square plus 1 square. There is equal to 2a minus 1 by root 2. So d square is equal to 2a minus 1 whole square by 2 d square value. So next, observe it, it is a right angle triangle. In the right angle triangle, it is a DE and it is a root 14 by 2. So r square is equal to d square plus that length is root 14 by 2 because it is a semi-chord. Root 14 by 2 whole square. It is one relation. The another relation, look, it is the radius. So this is a. So r square is equal to a square plus a square. R square is equal to 2a square. So r square is equal to 2a square, submit here. 2a square is equal to d square means 2a minus 1 whole square by 2. Next, plus root 14 by 4, 2 so 7. So 2a square is equal to 4a square minus 4a plus 1 plus 7 whole by 2. The LCM is 2. So 4a square is equal to 4a square minus 4a plus 1 plus 8. 4a square cancel. Minus 4a you will send this side. 4a is equal, r square is equal to 2a square. 2 into a square is equal to 4. 2 into 4. R square is equal to 8. So our required the square of radius. So the square of radius is 8. The answer is 8.